Hi guys, this is John from AudaCity Capital, the head of trading. Hope you're all well. So today I'd like to take the chance to talk about one of our traders who's hit 10% again on the Funded Trader program. His name is Terry. Last time I spoke about his trading review was just around a month ago or so, I believe, when he went from managing 10 to 20,000, and now he's gone from 20 to 40. So this is a trader now that's done it back to back, okay, hitting 10% trading within our risk parameters, within our trading parameters, no shortcuts, no leeways, sticking to the rules, and he's done it again. So I just wanted to go through his trades with you guys and show you how he did it. Because, when I'm normally interviewing potential traders to come on board and manage our funds, I get questions of them. I get questions from them that are concerning questions, such as, do we pay? Do we double the account? Is it possible to make 10%? Where is the proof? A lot of skeptical people out there asking questions, which I don't blame. I totally understand and I respect that. I'm not having a go at you guys, but like they say, the proof is in the pudding and numbers don't lie. So if you don't want to believe me, don't take my word for it. Here's the proof. Now, as you can see from the trading style, he's used pending orders as well as manual execution. Currency markets, FX, majors and cross pairs, a variety. Let me just show you that. So as you can see, a bit of cross pairs here, major pairs. Okay, so kept it open. And the most interesting part is also his exposure. He didn't expose himself too much in the markets. He was trading within the parameters and the right risk management. He kept the volume low sometimes. He increased it as he went along. He spread the risk equally to give himself the chance to recover losses, take big wins. And that's the way to make money in trading, guys. It's all about psychology and money management. As you can see, Terry did not overtrade. Okay, that's even back at stage 1. So this is stage 2. This is the information we need to concern ourselves from here. Already a first big win, look. All the way up to here. There was not much over trading here. He wasn't trying to fight the markets every day. He wasn't always trying to get in and out. He was waiting, from what I can see, he was waiting for the right opportunity to arise. Buying low, selling high, being very selective with the currencies he's trading. The ones that are going to give him the pips, the big number of pips. And as you can see here from the wins, okay, big wins. Yes, he's had losses along the way, of course, so I'm not going to forget mentioning those. Yes, of course, there were losses, but quite small losses, look. Compared to these wins, the losses are nothing. And that's how you make money. You win more on your winning trades, you lose less on your losing trades. Simple as that. So there's not much to be said here, really. As you can all see, the way he's traded, he's kept it open with the currencies, looked at the markets and picked the best trades with the highest probability setups within his strategy, his system, which is personal, of course. I don't know about that. He managed the risk very well with the exposure. Sometimes he increased the volume, he decreased the volume. So that's a very smart thing to do. You don't want to go all in or trade very, very, very small and limit yourself when you know there's a good opportunity out there. You got to strike while the iron is hot, as they say. And, for someone who I believe is not always in front of the screen, he's got his pending orders there. And sometimes when he could trade manually, he did. And he's made his 10%, and now he's managing 40,000 US dollars. So, guys, it's possible, okay? It's true. It's happening. Our traders are making money. We are paying them and doubling their account same day. And they are progressing to the following stage. So you can find an excuse or you can find a way. You can't have both. I'm going to keep saying that. Can you make money with the company? Yes. He's done it twice, and I look forward to talking about the next time when he goes from managing 40 to 80,000. Thanks for now.